Hello there, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for passing by. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I use this ripe plantain peel. So before I start using the ripe plantain peel for my facial therapy, this is what I do. I make aloe vera DIY. So I'm going to mix 1 tablespoon of honey into the aloe vera gel and then keep it in an ice cube container and then freeze it. I'll be using this after the application of the plantain peel, so stay tuned and watch the video. So I'm going to start by peeling this off here like this. I'm going to peel the plantain. Guys, seriously, I'm going to eat this thing. So this is what I'll be using for my skin. This is what I need. Okay, let me enjoy some. You're invited. Okay, let's continue. So this is my face, and I'm going to just a bit. Okay, I'm going to tear a bit of it like this. Then we start. So plantain pills, they are rich in vitamins. They are a great antioxidant, and that is why it is very good for the skin. I'm going to leave this on my face for 30 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, so it's past 30 minutes and I want to show you my face before I go and wash it off. This is looks sticky. Okay, so I'm going to wash my face and get back to you. So I just finished washing my face. So I'm going to clean my face. Wow. So I'm going to go ahead and then use the aloe vera. So I'm going to go ahead and then use this on my face. This is too cold. Ooh. It's too cold. So I'm going to allow this one to dry as well, and then I'm going to apply the moisturizer. Okay, so I made this moisturizer myself. Shepherd oil, half oil. This is very good for the skin. Okay, guys, so this remedy is going to brighten your skin. It's going to leave your skin so soft. It's going to prevent wrinkles. It's going to fight acne and pimples. I hope you're going to give it a try. And then leave your comments on how this remedy worked for you. So you can use this remedy at least once or twice in every week, and then you look out for the results in few weeks time. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you love this video. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you another time.